So you can see the update. So I've been looking at this trade, but decided to risk it already. Risk it, so that's why I'm making a video. So this you can see GU. You can see what GU is doing. GU is you see what GU is doing here, year on year, but it has not hit stop loss yet. So it has not hit stop loss yet. So what I want to show you, and let me just show you something else. UJ, this is USG, but you can see USB was expecting to go up, come down, then go, but market has been bearish so far. So we escaped the loss. So, but this is what I want to show you now. This UJ, GBP, JPY. So on sales on this pair. I'm on sales on this pair. So obviously, you can see if telling from the deal, you can see this big bearish engulfing candlestick. Then after that, we go to the 1 hour. So the same point here, this was where we got the first entry. Market went down, went up, went down. So I believe market has created a strong resistance, which market has come to retest as well to support. It was called rather a strong support here, a strong support here. Market has broken down, went with came down, still went back up again and retested. So I'm hoping markets come down. So I go to the lower time frame. On the lower time frame, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Anyway, I got a late entry because I'm looking at the trades and looking at the trades since. So I just entered like a few minutes ago, and this is the position. Where is it misbehaving? This is the position. So you've seen position now. So let me just show you the my market. What are you? Okay, this is. I think it's always clear here. Yeah, it's always clear here, and it's accurate. You can see this is the trade. So now we just have to let market do its own thing. And again, this will I say should I call it into question? There was the time Trump made a tweet. I don't know if it was Trump or his cabinet made a tweet. A tweet was made. Then we noticed that was what made during that period UJ and GJ just fell drastically. This tweet here. Sure is consumer price index. That was Canada. Abi? What's time? It's 5:37. Okay, there's newest news by 7 o'clock. So I'll be on the chat by 7. Where's that Trump tweet? Jude. Uh, where is the news? Okay, this news here. This one. Trump, Iran has reached an agreement. I said it's very late. This one. This is the news. This one. Trump, Iran has reached an agreement. I said it's very late. And this one, this is the news that came out. So as it came out, you notice from the chart, you notice that GBP USD spiked to the upside. I think this was the period. Spiked to the upside. UJ just had the momentum to keep off falling down. So I don't know. I think that's that for that. So let's see how our trade will run. So for now, I think I will just be doing these short videos till whenever. So let's go. That's it. Peace out.